What's up guys, welcome back. I'm filming the intro while editing because I realized I don't have an intro. Forgot to make an intro. And also I forgot to make an outro. So I'll see at the end of the video as well. But yeah. This video was gonna be a catch and cook. But it's not anymore. So if I mention anything in the video about like a catch and cook, just don't worry about it. But yeah, this video is gonna be a banger, so stay to the end and subscribe.
I went to a steam game. The steam team was pretty good.
All right, guys. So we made it to the river, and we've been here for probably 30 minutes ish, and nothing at all. Zero, zip, nada. So we're switching spots. There's this dam, but there's another dam over there that's probably gonna be better. So we're gonna head over there. See if I'm going for smallmouth today. Maybe a little bit of cat, but the weather's a little colder, so the fish aren't as active. But we'll see what we can do. So yeah, see you over there. Last summer.
Last summer was like 2 years ago. Good place. Guys.
Got one. Yeah.
Oh. Shoot, sorry. Smallie.
There we go, baby. That's what I'm looking for. Sweet, that feels really good. First fish of the day, nice smallmouth. Not nice, but good for what we catch. Sweet, just let him back. I'm not gonna throw him in that because that's not very nice. But there he is. Looks like he got bit by something right here. Yeah, I'm gonna let him go now. First cast right here. Cool. All right, guys, so we got one in the bag. That feels pretty good. That feels pretty good. Oh shoot, that was a big one. That was a huge one. I thought I was snagged. Got one. Got one. Fish number 2 right there. Nice little smallmouth. Ned rig putting in the work today. We got another huge bite right here a second ago. So I watch videos before I go fishing. You got one? Oh. And see how it's like fast flowing right in the middle? And then off to the side, there's this little pocket where it's like water's not moving. That's where you want to cast. And it's a colder day out right now. So we're just using a simple Ned rig because these fish aren't as aggressive, is what I would say. See that? I got another bite. Yep.
Ooh.
No! No! Dang it!
We found the honey hole, bro.
Got one. Bigger, net. Wait, he might not be as big as I thought. Oh, that's decent. Stay down. Right, he's gonna be right there.
There we go.
Sweet. Biggest one.
Get around it?
Yeah.
Hey! Oh boy.
Sweet. Hey, settle down.
Dude, I gotta catch.
Oh, this might be a good keeper, not gonna lie.
Oh, here. Want me to search up the size?
Yeah, please, would ya?
And we're in Iowa.
Yes, he is barely hooked. That just popped right out.
Were you gonna stash them in your bag or something?
I have a stringer,
Oh. Like when we're like driving.
probably. Okay, guys, there's fish number 3, biggest one. Good fish. 1.2. Really? Little guy. Oh,
Got him. Yes, sir.
cool.
That's my first one.
Jack caught his first fish, guys. See if we can double up.
That's crazy.
Yeah, smallmouth are feisty. All right, I gotta put a new one on this. This one's getting torn to bits. Oh, I got a big one.
I only have one hand.
Oh, he's pulling me under.
Let's go!
Let's go! Yeah!
Let's go!
Oh, let's go! I thought I was snagged again. Check that one out, guys. Oh yeah, this is my PB. 1.8.
So not near as big. The one you caught ice fish was about 2 pounds, wasn't it?
We didn't weigh it.
Oh, we didn't?
No. I bet they're about the same size.
Yeah, let's get a measure on them. Lay them down on the ground. Hey.
Hey, 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 hey!
That's not your PB fish ever though, is it?
Ever? That's my biggest smallmouth.
Yeah.
Dude, when he pulled me underneath here, I thought he was gonna snap me off.
Oh, I've got one
Got one. Bigger again. Oh, never mind. You can net him though.
Dude, it's a monster!
Alright guys, there's the, what is that? Is that 6?
6. And you've caught
All together?
5.
My 6/5 I can't talk. 6th fish of the day. 5th fish for me. He's paler than most other ones. He's pretty pale. I don't know.
That was a big one.
Man, guys, smallmouth.
This is fun.
You cannot convince me that smallmouth are not the, per pound, that smallmouth are not the hardest fighting fish, freshwater fish. I want to catch a trout so bad.
No.
I want to know where Lucas was catching it. Slow down a little bit. Let him. I have smallmouth slime in my eyeball.
I think the hook's on the net.
Oh,
Let's go, baby!
good thing I didn't get one while that was happening.
Definitely better. This might be. Thanks, Jacob.
Yeah,
Oh, that feels so good.
I know.
That was barely hooked.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.